fidget toys?
Yes! I love them!
Well, great, because today we will be making a rainbow paper spinner.
Yes! Spin, 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 spin!
So are you ready?
Yes!
Let's go! Let's have a look at what you'll need to make this super cool spinner toy. Some colored paper,
wooden skewers,
glue stick and some all-purpose glue, a pair of scissors, a ruler, and a pin or a thumbtack. This paper spinner twirls as it spins and makes all kinds of beautiful patterns. They are tons of fun to play with. So let's get started. Step 1. Cut 8 strips of paper lengthwise. Now cut 4 circles for attaching the paper strips. We will be using a coin to measure the size of the circles. Step 2. Start by rubbing glue stick all over one of the circles. Arrange the paper strips evenly around the circle. Now keep adding glue as you overlap the strips around the circle. Cover the top with another circle to secure them in place. Step 3. Now do the same with another circle. This time, bring the other ends of the paper strips up and attach them to the circle. Paper spinners are great for kids who struggle to pay attention, as they help promote concentration and focus. Once they are all attached with glue, cover again with another circle to secure them. Step 4. Put the wooden skewer through the center of both circles. We started the hole with the pin. Then push through the pointy end of the skewer up through the center of the paper spinner. Cover the top of the circle with glue to keep it from moving. Now you can play with your paper spinner toy. Just roll the stick between your fingers and watch it twirl. Wow, this paper spinner is so cool! All done! It spins and twirls! It's so cool, right?
Yes, Mommy! I love the spinner toy!
Well, there you have it, yet another super fun and cool craft that you have to try. Well, we have to go now, but thank you for watching. See you all next time.
Goodbye!